35. Unit 7, Lesson 1. Listen, read, and point. It's cold. There is some snow. The weather is like this in winter. In Iraq, the winter months are December, January, and February. I don't like this season.
I love this season. The weather is cool and it can be rainy, but everything is growing. There are flowers and green trees. In Iraq, the spring months are March and April.
This is my favorite season, but it is very hot. Every day is sunny. In Iraq, the summer months are May, June, July, and August.
I like this season too. The weather isn't hot and it isn't cold. It's warm. In Iraq, the autumn months are September, October, and November.
Number 1. What's the weather like in winter? ما هو حال الطقس في فصل الشتاء؟ رح يكون الجواب in winter it's cold, rainy and cloudy. بارد وممطر وغائم. Number 2. What's the weather like in spring? حيكون الجواب in spring cool, rainy and mild. cool هو أقل برودة من cold و mild معناته معتدل. Number 3. in summer. What's the weather like in summer? حيكون الجواب in summer it's sunny مشمس hot حار and dry وجاف. Number 4. in autumn. What's the weather like in autumn? In autumn it's warm دافئ and windy كثير الرياح.
Unit 7, Lesson 2. Listen and tick the correct picture. 1.
I'm going to go on holiday to Egypt with my family.
2.
I'm going to ride a camel in the desert.
3.
My brother is going to learn to row a boat.
4.
We are going to visit the pyramids.
5.
I'm going to take lots of photos.
6.
It's going to be hot and sunny.
7.
I am going to buy souvenirs for my friends.
8.
We're going to fly there by plane.
100. Unit 7, Lesson 3. Listen and point. That's our flight to Egypt.
When do we go?
This big black bag is very heavy. It weighs 30 kilograms. Whose big black bag is this?
It's mine. The red bag is mine.
Mine is green.
My Teddy's bag is blue and white.
Track 101. Unit 7, Lesson 3. Listen and say.
It's my bag. It's mine.
It's your book. It's yours.
It's her pencil case. It's hers.
They are his pens. They're his. Track 104. Unit 7, Lesson 5. Look, listen, and say. 1.
We went to the beach. It was sunny and very hot.
2.
I learnt to row a boat, but the weather was cool and rainy.
3.
We didn't take any photos because it was windy.
4.
I rode on a camel with my dad, but it was too windy.
5.
We went shopping in a famous market, and I bought lots of souvenirs.
6.
We flew back home, but it was cloudy, and I didn't see much.
Dima told the school magazine about her mother's visit to An-Najaf al-Ashraf. My mother went to An-Najaf al-Ashraf last week for a holiday with her family. He flew there by plane. It only took 3 minutes to get there from Baghdad. It takes about 2 hours to get there by car. Next time my mother goes to An-Najaf al-Ashraf, I'm going to go with her. I want to go by plane. It is very exciting. Karam told us about his father and how he goes to work. My dad works in Diyala and goes to work by car. He likes driving. He says there are lots of cars and lorries. It takes a long time each day to go there and to come home. He leaves home early in the morning and comes home late. Jenna told the school magazine about a picnic that her school is going to have. They are going to go on a ferry boat. My school is going to have a picnic. We are going by ferry boat on the river. Most of the pupils are going to come. It's going to be very exciting because it is my first time on a boat. We are going to see lots of beautiful places. I'm going to make a cake for the picnic. Firas told the school magazine about his big brother. My brother went to see our uncle and aunt. They live in Nasiriyah. He went there by train. It was his first time on a train and he loved it. This train can go very fast and it is exciting. Favorite holiday. My favorite holiday was in Jordan. I went by plane. I ate mansaf. I floated in the Dead Sea. I saw the caves in Petra. I rode on a camel. I bought lots of souvenirs.